Hi guys, quickly. So let's cover how to delete your Facebook account in 2025. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. You visit facebook.com, then ensure you are logged in on your account. So next, you're going to make it to your account button at the top right corner where you'll find your profile picture. Then you click on it. Next, you click on settings and privacy. Next, you click on settings. Next, you click on see more in account center. This blue button here. Next, you click on personal details. Next, you click on account ownership and control. Next, you click on deactivation or deletion. Next, you select Facebook. So next, if you want to deactivate, you select the deactivate account. If you want to delete, you select the delete account option. Next, you click on continue and follow the on-screen instruction. Then you input your password to delete your account.